Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Chef Ayesha and this is my channel. So on this platform we cook cuisines around the world, healthy cuisines, recipes across the globe that is good for your holistic well-being. So that is the benefit of subscribing, that you'll be exposed to different varieties of recipes across the globe that you can lay your hands on and try out in the comfort of your own home. So kindly support the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing in order to enable me bring you more content. So today we're making some vegetable or carrot couscous, vegetable couscous, and spicy gizzard sauce. So for our spices, we have some ground cumin powder, we have some mixed herbs here, we have some all-purpose seasoning, I have my tomato puree, my red onions, I have white onion, I have my yellow and red Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper, I have one garlic or two garlics, red bell's pepper, some shredded carrots, that's for the garnish, shredded carrots, and some shredded onions as well. We have some garlic and onion leaves for garnishing. We have our couscous, one packet of couscous and some butter, and we have some salt to taste, some rosemary infused oil, and our spiced gizzard. So I'm just gonna briefly clear the place and then we'll get on with the recipe. Stay tuned, guys. This is our nicely washed gizzard. I've marinated it briefly with some hot Scotch bonnet mix, some salt and a bit. I'm just gonna briefly incorporate in some, some thyme here, and then we'll just pop it in the oven. Some thyme. And then I'm just gonna mix everything together like so, and then so if you want the full flavor of this dish, ensure that you marinate it for an hour or so to get everything. I'm just gonna pour in a bit of the rosemary infused oil just so that it doesn't turn out to be too dry. The gizzard, you can use any gizzard of your choice, either chicken gizzard. This is chicken gizzard, but you can use, any other gizzard that there is out there. So yeah, that is consumable, of course. So I'll pop this in the oven for 20 minutes. Guys, we're just gonna work on the couscous. So as I said before, we have one pack of couscous here. Couscous is high in fiber, high in protein, minerals and essential vitamins to support our holistic well-being. So why not incorporate couscous into your diet as compared to always eating rice? So I'm just gonna put approximately, let's say, half teaspoon of salt in there. Mix everything thoroughly. I'm going to add some ground white pepper to it for seasoning. This should do. Again, mix everything thoroughly, consistently, to ensure an even mixture. So now we're gonna pour in some hot water to cover the surface of our couscous. We don't want it to be too wet, so just enough to cover the surface, and then we'll get a very beautiful couscous. Yeah, this is okay. Now we're just gonna add some butter in there. So this is approximately 1.5 tablespoons of butter. So I'm just gonna mix everything in there thoroughly and then taste. A good chef always ensures that she tastes her food. So let's taste, shall we? A little bit of the pepper. Mix, and then we cover this and allow this to sit for 15 minutes. Couscous is very easy to do, very easy, no fuss, and very healthy and nutritious, as well as delicious on your palate. So I'm going to use some kitchen foil, fold it into 2 halves. I'm going to cover it and then ensure that you bend the ends to ensure that the heat gets trapped. Set this aside and then proceed with our sauce. In the meantime, our gizzard is in the air fryer doing its thing. Guys, we're gonna blend our peppers. So we have some white onions at the bottom. I have some garlic in there. I'm just gonna add in peppers and then blend this, not too smooth. We want it to be in chunks. And then this should be done. Just place this there. Hand blender is a bit tricky. Oh dear, this thing doesn't want to budge. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This thing uses energy. See, if you are not, don't have muscles, you can use this. On fire, we have our rosemary infused oil, approximately, let's say 4 tablespoons in here. I'm just gonna add in onions, saute these onions. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna put in my herbs. Bit of thyme in here. Because the oil is already infused, you know, we're gonna get some lovely flavor. Some ground cumin in here, not too much. All-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put in the tomato paste in there. Add some black pepper or white pepper. Basically the seasoning we use for the marinating of the gizzard. Allow this to fry for 5 minutes, then we incorporate in the diced onions. So we're gonna pour in the stock from the gizzard, which will help to loosen out the sauce. At this point, I can add in our chopped, this is approximately 4 diced onions, sorry, 4 diced tomatoes. juicy plumpy tomatoes. Just gonna gently put this in here for our sauce. Stir this, taste and see, check the seasoning. I'm going to add some turmeric in there. Let's see. Already it's nice. Let me add in some turmeric. So add in a bit of turmeric and some curry as well. Some curry powder. Stir this. Add some salt, taste, and then allow this to cook. Very nice. Allow this to cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, guys, after using our Herculean, after using our muscles to grind this Herculean to sort out this Herculean task, this is what we got. All lovely and nice, diced up. We use this for our gizzard. Guys, this is how the sauce is looking like. It's really saucing away. Yeah, give it another 5 minutes and then we are done, and then we'll do the peppered gizzard. Then we're basically done. Guys, this is our gizzard is done. So we're gonna start the peppered gizzard sauce. Put a bit of oil on fire. I'm just gonna pour in the peppered and fry this for approximately 5 minutes, and then we incorporate in the gizzard. Give it a bit of all peppers, and then we are done. Check on our couscous, see how beautifully done it is. I'm just gonna be adding the carrots bit by bit. That's our shredded carrots. So we are done. So we've added the gizzard to the sauce. Just stir it like that. We are done. And then the couscous is also done almost. The peppered gizzard is looking like, and our sauce. This is how the sauce is looking like. Yum yum yum, yummy. Now I'm gonna plate up. So I'm gonna dish this. And then we'll put the peppered on top. Peppered sauce on top. The peppered gizzard, sorry. So guys, this is vegetable, carrots, couscous, and our sauce with some peppered gizzard. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, support the channel so you get more content such as this, and share. Thank you. Bye. Check out my other couscous. So couscous and pork belly sauce. I'll put the link in the description. Bye. Chop chop. No time, no friend.